Hello viewers, welcome to my online class. So today's topic will be looking at change of subject of the formula. As we all know, if you are writing GCSE, WAEC and UTME, if you are writing any of this exam, it is likely for you to see the topic, change of subject of the formula. Now, how can you change the subject of a formula? Don't forget formulae. This is formulae, which is the plural for formula. So how can you change the subject of a formula? To change the subject of a formula is just simply to rearrange the formula and get a particular variable. Now, the subject stands alone. Take note of that. So in a question or in a formula, the subject stands alone. Just like this example, it says make t the subject of the formula. V equals to u plus at. V here is the subject. Why? Because V is standing alone. Then we are to make t to be like V. We want to make t to stand alone. Now, how can we do that? With your knowledge of algebra, you can get the question done perfectly. Remember your algebra. If you want to rearrange the formula, what you need to do, you take this letter, if you are taking a letter or a number to another side, you need to change the sign. So your algebra or knowledge has to come in here under change of subject of the formula. Now let's get it started. To make t the subject, what you need to do, the first thing is identify where the letter is. Where the letter that you want to make the subject, where it is, you need to identify where it is first. Now here is our t. How can we make t the subject? We need to take this letter to the other side. That is the first thing. You have to rearrange everything until you get the expression or get the formula for t. Now take this to this side. We have v minus u. Don't forget, it's just like algebra. When you're taking a letter to the other side or a number to the other side, you need to revise the sign. This is positive u. When it comes to this side, it becomes negative. So this is equals to at. At this point, we are almost there. We need to divide both sides by this. We need to divide both sides by a to get t. So here we have v minus u over a equals to at divided by a. So at this point here, a divided a is 1. So therefore we have 1t here, which is t. So therefore t is equals to v minus u over a. So at this point, we have made t the subject of the formula without changing the letters. We didn't bring another letters, it's still the same letters. So we have made t the subject. We are having our v, we are having our u, we are having our a. So just for you to arrange the equation, that is how to make a letter the subject. Now let's look at example 2. Now if you want to get this example 2 done, it is very simple. The same process. Identify where the letter is. So once you have gotten where the letter is, the rest is simple. Now we are to make p the subject of the formula. Don't forget, the subject stands alone. The subject in this formula is m. M is standing alone, so it is a subject. So we want to make p, letter p, to stand alone just like m. How do we do that? Of course, we need to take this one away to this side. Don't forget your knowledge of algebra. If you are taking a letter or a variable to the other side, you need to revise the sign. So this is minus 3n. When you take it to this side, it becomes plus. Or you add minus 3n to both sides. So therefore we have m plus 3n is equals to 2p. Now we are looking for p. We need to divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So therefore we have m plus 3n divided by 2 equals to 2p divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So therefore p is equals to, therefore we have p equals to m plus 3n divided by 2. Now in this case, p is the subject of the formula. So now I'm going to give you classwork. You do the classwork, send your answer to the comment section. I will know if you are right or wrong.